you looking for a powerful, energy-efficient, and quiet forklift truck that can seamlessly replace your existing diesel or LPG trucks? Are you ready to switch to a new level of efficiency and performance? The new L25XE crossover series from Clark is the next generation of electric forklifts. It combines the reliability and strength of a diesel forklift with the energy efficiency and lower maintenance costs of an electric forklift. These crossover forklifts are made for demanding conditions. Robust, durable, and powerful. The L25XE impresses with powerful electric motors that enable high speeds, excellent acceleration, and superior climbing ability. With tires, ground clearance, and a turning circle comparable to diesel or LPG models, the L25XE fits perfectly into your existing fleet setup. Best of all, ongoing maintenance costs are significantly lower than for IC models. The interactive dashboard keeps the driver constantly informed with audible and visual warnings and all the key figures at a glance. The Clark mass damping system reduces vibrations and shocks for gentle pallet handling and also increases safety when lifting and lowering heavy loads. Good all-round visibility. The ergonomic seat position provides excellent visibility in all directions for more safety and precision. Excellent headroom. The spacious driver's cab offers maximum comfort even for taller drivers, even during long shifts. Small ergonomic steering wheel. An optimized steering wheel design ensures effortless control and reduces strain on the wrists. LED lighting. Energy-efficient LED lights provide optimal visibility, regardless of the lighting conditions. Orange seat belt. Important safety detail. The orange seat belt is always clearly visible. Flexible use indoors and outdoors. The L25XE can also be used in adverse conditions thanks to water-protected components with IP54 protection. 380-volt lithium-ion battery options and fast charging capability ensure that the L25XE is always ready for use. Whether for short or long continuous operations, this crossover model can be adapted to any requirement. Many options, such as the optional heated cab, fork positioners, and warning lights, make the L25XE a forklift that adapts to the needs of the driver and the operating conditions. The proven Clark quality makes the L25XE a genuine built-to-last forklift. Make the switch now. Contact your Clark dealer for more information.